our home for this holidays, and this is actually Holly Hall. So let's get started on the details of this space. Okay, love, so I'm going to start with these beautiful stick-like deer here. I've had these for a few years and they are from At Home. I did see them in the stores this year, so if you want to get some, you may want to try to grab them before they're all sold out, and I'll try to link them down below if they're linkable. My fireplace is portable and it actually came from Wayfair, but the actual fireplace and the insert are sold separately. This is not the insert that goes with this fireplace. The insert that's in there actually changed colors. The one that came with this fireplace does not change colors. There's a story behind it, but I'm not going to tell you the story on how that happened in this video. My garland is from Walmart. My black ribbon here is actually from Michael's. The black and gold ribbon is from a local warehouse here in Houston called Craftex, as well as the big ornaments there. My teal / cerulean ornaments, I ordered them a few years ago from Walmart, but they're those Vickerman. It's a Vickerman brand that sells Christmas decor. You can get them on Amazon, so I'll see if I can place those just in case you want to try to get these colors to do your decorating the day after Thanksgiving. And the big bow that you see here, this bow is super cute. This bow actually is one that I made, and I have a brooch here. Now this is actually a button. That button actually came from Hobby Lobby. They have a button section and I just have it stuck here. I may have hot glued it there. This ribbon is actually, I think this ribbon may be from Craftex, I'm not sure, but I've had this ribbon for a couple of years. The reindeer is actually from Craftex, same ribbon, and this is actually a Totally Dazzle brooch. You know, I was standing here looking at this ribbon, I'm like, this ribbon look dusty. This ribbon is dusty. Black, I tell you, and it's velvet too. That's why people say don't get black cards, because it shows dust. So look at the dust. That thing is dusty, and I haven't had this stuff up that long to be all dusty like that. Unless that's flocking that's on it. I'm not sure. But it's irking me. So I'm going to go ahead and dust while I'm on camera. You guys are family. If there's any new people here, hey, I let my hair down and let it all flow here on Homebody with Felisa. So it's nice and dusted. I dusted it now. I don't see all the dust on it. That's awesome. My area rug is from Well Woven. I'm not sure if this rug is still in stock, but if it is, I will link it. My Christmas tree is from Walmart. It's like a 7.5 foot Belmont tree. It actually, you can change the lighting to where it changes colors, you know, the multicolor, but I'm not into the multicolor Christmas lights just yet. All these ornaments are either from, well, the teal ones are from Walmart.com. The black ones and the gold ones are either from Hobby Lobby or Craftex. I can tell you these gold ones here, these are from Z Gallery. I've had them for several years. All my ribbon is Ferris Silk, the Ferris Silk brand ribbon. I love Ferris Silk brand ribbon. And I actually threw this little bow in here because I wanted to use some of this ribbon in the tree. Probably shouldn't have, but y'all know I'm extra, so I'm gonna do a little bit too much with everything that I do. Another deer that's from Craftex. I made my tree topper the same way that I did the video that I showed y'all from the master bedroom. It's the same tree topper where I just overlapped the ribbon on itself and just brought it on down the tree. The picks are from either Hobby Lobby, Michael's. I have no idea. I've had them for quite some time, maybe from Craftex. I just reused. With this tree, I didn't buy anything. except for the tree. It's a new tree. Picked it up from Walmart. All this other stuff is stuff that I've had over the years. Nothing is new, not even the ribbon. I like to shop after Christmas when these local warehouses have their items 50% off, and I go and just buy ribbon because I love me some nice quality ribbon. The deer is from Big Lots, and I've adorned him with some ribbon. The gift boxes on the floor actually came from TJ Maxx some time ago. Then I have some gold over on this side. I am in love with this tree. I don't know if y'all noticed, this is like a trend now where people are doing like only certain colors of ornaments, either at the bottom, the top, or the side. It's a trendy thing now. I think this is cute. I like it. It's a TLV desk, but it's no longer sold. The black and gold deer is actually from Z Gallery. I purchased them when they were like 50% off. I just adorned them with some ribbon. Yes, I adorned them with some ribbon. The ribbon is not quite the teal or cerulean color that I really like, but it's flowing. And I have these Target dollar spot little garland here, and I adorned it with some of that same ribbon that's in the tree. And I got some sparkly lights in here. These lights are actually from, where are those lights from? I'm not sure where those lights are from, but these are awesome because you can control the settings of the lights. Let me show you. I'm trying not to make you dizzy. See, it comes like this, and it does different settings. But I like that one. This ornament is actually very cute. It's one of those peacock-like ornaments. I have no idea where this came from. I've had it for several years. I just wish I would have gotten more of them when I did get them. One thing that I love about these deer is that you can take the antlers off. See? That's how you can keep them from getting broke. Because this year, I must have unboxed about 5 broke deer antlers. Okay, love. So the sconces are from Z Gallery. This wall art piece here is from Ross. My credenza is from Target. I love it because it's simple and it allows me to do extra because we all know that I'm extra. I love the gold hardware that it has. My bar card in my lamp is from Home Goods. This super cute vase here is a Z Gallery find, and this is cute. This is actually a Michael's find, and I actually put a bow around it. It came in white, silver, and gold. I don't know why I didn't pick up an extra one. I think it was about $9.99. Regular price was $19, but I paid $9.99 because they had their Christmas stuff like 50% off. So let's see here. The deer that's on the little table in the back is actually from Home Goods. The trees are from Michael's. And the star that you see is actually from At Home. All my drapes are from Amazon. My chair, I think, is from Amazon as well, or either Wayfair. And this pillow is actually from Z Gallery. So I am looking forward to changing out this chandelier. I have one coming. It's going to be a partnership over on Instagram. It's a different type of style for me, and I'm looking forward to, you know, changing up the style of chandelier in this space. But this particular chandelier here is from Wayfair, and that sums up this space, everyone. I hope that it inspired you on decorating not only your home office, but your home in these beautiful colors. And I totally forgot to tell y'all where my benches are from. These ottomans. These are from House, and I love them because you can store stuff in them. They are super, super heavy. Not just because I have stuff in them, but they actually store items as well. I have like my extra books and decorated books and extra stuff in there. I can go ahead and open this one up. So see, I just have extra decorated books in here and stuff like that. The other one is a little bit more junkier. Okay, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.